Hey, I just want to give a quick reminder to let everybody know we're going to be giving away that Instant Pot on September 25th. And so in order to get entered to win, what you need to do is go over to that video. I'll leave a card here in the video and a link in the description below. Go over that video, watch that Instant Pot review video, and then give it a thumbs up, like the video, and then leave a comment in the description. Maybe tell me what kind of meals you'd like to make in the Instant Pot. It's a neat multifunctional cooking device. I really do like it, and I want to be able to share that with somebody. So go over there. If you would, please subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. We're trying to grow the channel here. Give it a like. Give this video a like. Give it a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and helps get us out there and known in the YouTube community. I appreciate every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. We'll have a new review video coming up real soon here. But for now, I want to remind everybody to get over and get entered into that giveaway for that Instant Pot. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.